Today, I'd like to share a straightforward solution designed for a specific challenge, analyzing data and crafting custom dashboards beyond the capabilities offered by Jira. The clear path forward? Integrating Jira with Power BI. Our goal was to simplify the process as much as possible. Log in and connect your Jira account and select the Jira project you wish to integrate with Power BI. After identifying the project, Asinaria generates a link. This link can then be directly pasted into Power BI, streamlining the data integration process. Asinaria ensures that all your data is transferred to Power BI with the correct formatting, simplifying your workflow. This is the initial release of our tool, simple yet effective. Bye.